Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Cloudflare WAF for protecting checkout pages, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate Cloudflare web application firewall for securing your checkout pages, follow these steps. Begin by logging into your Cloudflare dashboard. Select the website you want to protect from the list. Navigate to the firewall section in the left sidebar. Click on Tools under the Firewall menu. In the IP Access Rules section, choose Create another rule. Specify the action you wish to take, such as blocking or allowing traffic. Set the field to match the criteria, for example, IP address or user agent. Next, you will need to configure a security level. Scroll to the firewall settings and select Security Level. Choose a security level appropriate for your checkout page, typically high. Proceed to the WAF section under the Firewall menu. Enable the web application firewall if it isn't already activated. Next, choose the predefined rule set related to online shopping. Make sure to enable protections against common threats like SQL injection and cross-site scripting. Additionally, configure rate limiting for checkout pages to prevent abuse. Set a rate limit that suits your expected traffic, usually a few requests per minute. Implement custom rules tailored to specific threats your site may face. These rules can include blocking requests based on certain URL patterns. Now, go to the SSL/TLS section of your dashboard. Ensure that your website is using at least flexible SSL, but full strict, is recommended for better security. After that, move to the caching section. Set the page cache level to bypass for your checkout page to ensure real-time data is processed. Finally, test the setup by placing a test order to confirm that the WAF is functioning as intended. Monitor your logs regularly for any suspicious activity post-implementation. That concludes the steps to authenticate Cloudflare WAF for protecting your checkout pages. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.